hurt your feelings or anything, but Jake Berkey would have one-shotted that. So.
All right, it's time to go wheeling. I can't wait. We're gonna be headed down to Kentucky. So I got everything loaded and packed up, and we're gonna try and meet up with Jason on the road tonight, somewhere down in Kentucky. And I'll update you guys when we get down there. All right, so yesterday we had a little bit of an exciting ride. Pulled in to get some dinner at Waffle House real quick and noticed that the tire was hissing. One of my trailer tires, the valve stem, it was done. So I tried to pry it off and shove a new one in there. Had some of my spare parts, trail box stuff, and I couldn't stab it through there. So I just swapped the wheel and tire. Luckily I had a spare up here. I got one more under the trailer. You never know on these big jobs how many spares you're going to use. So we'll fix that one up at camp and it'll be ready to go on the way home. Made it here to the Cracker Barrel probably about 11:30 last night, almost midnight, and woke up. Jason's over there, so that's awesome. We'll grab some breakfast and head on wheeling. All right, we found Phillip, and he's over there getting ready, and we got Luke, trail guide over here. Luke Thacker, he's ready to go wheeling. We're gonna go get our trail passes.
My buddy Virgil had like a 8-inch one. Be $1. From here to here, the state's recovering out of these oil tanks. They're cleaning that ecological disaster. You guys, even with the bounce, stay off of 32, it's just a mud hole. All right, that's the only one I'd advise.
Okay.
Your rigs are pretty much good to hit anything else.
Okay.
All right,
Okay, cool.
4 is closed, and 32, no fun.
Well, for some reason it just won't stop raining out here. We got our trail passes and we're ready to go, but I'd prefer if it would stop raining. It soaked it down and got rid of the dust this morning, but now this is just, it's getting ridiculous. The weather says no rain today. Alright, just damn near slid off the side of this hill. It is like the slipperiest thing I've ever been on. It's worse than wheeling in the ice. We come down this thing, I started sliding. It broke traction and started going to the edge. A tree caught me, we winched it back. Killed the battery because I had the thing off and the fans are running the whole time. We just jumped it off of Luke's DeWalt battery and got it going again. So we're gonna try and get to the bottom of this. I'm gonna see if I can record one of these other guys sliding down this thing because it is slippery. Yep, keep coming. Keep coming. Straight. Yeah, back up and move this way a little bit more. Right there. I don't know if this tire's coming up this rock though. Yeah, I know. That looks like it's undercut a little too much for that tire. There, it's coming. It's coming. Nice and easy. Nah, it's bouncing.
I need to get more drivers first.
If you can get this one to pop up, that one's going.
Hey, no, don't do that.
Back wheel found up.
Tony, just turn into that rock as you go forward and it'll pick up. It's that back wheel.
Yeah, your back wheel got it. Hey, turn this way a little more.
There you go. Yeah, that's it. Yep, you're golden. Haha! Nice.
Alright, one more time.
Oh shit. Not supposed to say that.
We've been having a blast all day wheeling. Stopped out at this cave, do a couple pictures. It's cool. Like checking this place out. Well, Jason's buggy was running like garbage today on the trail, so we're trying to figure it out. I think it's the injectors, so we don't have any extra ones, but we at least pulled them apart and blew them out with hair the best we can, trying to clean things up. They don't really look bad, but something's not right. We got like half the engine running, and it's not specifically one side, but we're gonna see if we can get this thing going.
driver right there and come into it.
No, don't come off that rock.
Whoa!
Stay.
There you go. Roll into her.
Fucking nail it.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, stay. The sidewall's trying. If the tires get hot, it might go. If it gets hot. Driver. Oh, it's going. Shut her down.
Beer's flying everywhere.
You spilled that.
Oh, hey, is that gas or is that beer?
That winch yours in. Y'all have to. Oh, okay.
That's a hard pull.
Yeah, it's coming.
It's coming now.
It's gonna get up against that rock. Right?
Yep.
But
Oh, here comes the oil. Transmission fluid or something. Alright, that's about all it's gonna do. Gonna have to get in.
that tire folded over good.
Yeah, it looks cool. Oh,
I didn't even have my
I just felt something coming.
I felt it too, and I just don't feel like I want to get the camera. Like I said yesterday, I've always regretted when I didn't.
Yep.
Never regretted.
We turn passenger or something here?
All the bugs fixing to go away.
There we go, pull forward. I have to give them a little bit. Whoop. All right, turn driver and back it up. Whoop. Hang on 1 second. Hold your brake real quick. You got your brakes? Give me a little bit of line. Okay. All right, try and back up a little bit more. Yep, reverse. You're good, you're hooked. Yep. Whoa, whoa. Oh. Hold it. I think he's going to be fine now.
Yeah, I think
Let him out. You're good. We just got to unhook the lines.
time a new engine?
How we feeling?
He didn't know my reputation when he got in this thing.
That's funny.
I wasn't.
We all right?
Yeah, Elias got most of it.
Yep. Man, this rain is fixing to ruin this.
Why you getting in right, Kenzie?
Oh. There we go.
Good?
Go.
What's up?
I get you. There you go.
All out the windshield area.
Yeah.
Man, arms, bro. I'm gonna get a strap to a tree over
Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Right there. Straighten up. That's it. Well, day two's been interesting. We got one rollover from Phillip, and then we got somebody just busted a output on their transfer case. So they're limping out in front wheel drive, and we are gonna head on to the next part of our trail ride. See what happens next. Partying.
Look at that.
You gotta get up there.
Isn't that crazy?
No way you can get up there.
There you go, Rick.
Yeah, it's just hard to see.
Yep.
How do you get up here?
I guess you gotta climb on
I could do that a little bit.
the thing.
It's very easy. Couldn't they make an easier way to get up here?
Guess it's that way.
Man, look how cool this is.
Yeah, that's neat. Like what?
Very cool, right?
Give you a boost.
Yeah. Man, they keep my hands cold.
Yeah, everything's chilly down here. Light me up, Jim.
I got you.
What? Oh, I can barely see the light.
I'm gonna get you some light here. There you go.
Very much dark. Whoa. And it keeps going.
And it starts going back the other way.
Does
Go
it?
there.
I think this is as far as we're going.
How about
Like this, you know, it's freaking awesome, dude. It is awesome.
Don't put your head right here. Don't put your head right here.
Yeah, if you could crawl back in there, I'm telling you, it's awesome.
That water is just.
Oh, that's great light, Tony.
Huh?
I said that was great light. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, that's something else.
I wonder how much earth is above the ceiling in here.
Well, when you're outside, it really.
There's a lot up there. That mountain goes straight up out there. There's a lot of earth on top of it.
Well, it is absolutely pouring down rain right now. We just left the cave area and we are getting soaked. We're gonna try and crawl out of here and hopefully make it back to camp. We'll see how things go here. It's getting ugly. Well, another fun weekend in the books. I would say this campground's a little rowdier than we would like. Definitely a loud place. Everybody's on limiter in the middle of the night and revving everything up. But a lot of rain this weekend. But we always love coming down here and wheeling with Luke. Phillip joining us was an added bonus. That was a good time. And in 2 weeks, we'll be down in Wellsville. Labor Day weekend coming right up around the corner here. So see you soon.